to Medical Dialogues. I'm Roshni Dhar. Let's look at today's top health news.
The Medical Counselling Committee is going to conduct a special Mop-Up Round 2 for NEET SS 2021 qualified candidates as over 748 Super Speciality seats are vacant even after the completion of 4 rounds of counselling. Issuing a notification to this effect, the counselling body stated that this year Medical Counselling Committee of DGHS conducted 2 rounds of Super Speciality DM, MCH, DN, BSS seats followed by a Mop-Up Round and a special Mop-Up Round. However, still 748 super specialty seats are vacant even after the completion of 4 rounds of counselling. If we talk about the eligibility criteria, the eligible candidates are all the candidates who have appeared for NEET SS 2021 will be considered eligible. Only candidates who have not joined any seats in previous rounds of AIQ or are not holding any seats in counselling conducted by the state of Tamil Nadu are eligible to participate. Candidates who have not registered in earlier rounds of AIQ may register afresh by paying the requisite fee and participate in special Mop-Up Round 2 of SS Counselling 2021.
That's all for today. Stay safe.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.